As of length of projection, let me explain a bit. I do not want you to understand length of projection from because length of projection should be dot product, then a shortest distance should be cross product. Don't do that because you will confuse yourself. Length of projection on line to line is dot. From line to plane is not even dot, it's cross. So never ever understand projection method by using cross or dot product. You get confused. This is where I believe you really need to understand in terms of the concept of projection length. Okay, so let me explain to you projection length is what. So this is the easiest way to explain. You look at this projector that I have here. Now, what is projection length? Say now I have two light source here lah. So for my, I don't know if I can switch off one, no, both. Okay, only one light source. Okay, anyway, okay, that's why I got two shadows here. Yes, I got two light sockets. I can switch off one. Good job. Now, you see this, what happens here is this, the light that comes out from a projector is actually coming out from this direction. I don't know where is it lah. Okay. Now, what is projection length? Projection length is this length here. Okay, I'm covering one of the light source. Okay. So, how do I find this length here? I actually just need to find the direction of the light source, pointed towards that, and then this is where it projected towards this is the projected length to the plane here. The plane which is being the paper lah. Okay, that is the idea of projection length. So the projection length can change based on whether the formula can change based on whether it's line to line or line to plane. But never ever attach a formula to length of projection. Length of projection is just a concept. It's just a concept. Length of projection it's just the projection length. Why is it important? It's because when you are doing like if you're going to do like game design or when you play 3-dimensional games, right, all those kind of 3-dimension games, right, there are actually a lot of vectors dot product going on behind, because you're actually seeing like how things are being projected to your screen. So there's actually an algorithm to run everything back end. Okay, so it's pretty cool. Okay, so that's why this length of projection concept is very important. Okay, so let's look at this part here. The best way to do is just to go through examples. So the line equation L is given by 210 lambda 1 minus 2 1. The coordinates A, B are given by this. Find the length of projection of AB on L. Okay, so this is what's going on. I'm not sure what is A and B, but what I know is L is here. L is given by 210. Okay. Maybe I don't draw L in a slanted way, so that it's not so confusing. I'll just draw in a horizontal way. Then this is like L. It passes through 210, so I just put this 210 here. This direction here of the line is actually 1 minus 2 1. Is that okay? This part here. Now then what we need is actually a point A on top. I'm not sure where's A. Just draw A here. Now A is obviously 1, 3 minus 2. Then you have B, which is here, which is actually 1, 0 minus 2. So this is A and B. This is a line segment. Segment of a line. So that's why it's just line segment here. Now you want AB projected to this line here. So you want to find out what is the projected length here. So when you draw it out, please know that when you project AB on L, this is the length that you want to find. Okay, this is a shadow that you want to find. Okay, this is the shadow here. Here. This is the length that you want to find. Okay, so this is called length of projection of AB on L. Okay? Length of projection of AB on L. How do you find? So what you do is this, remember, this direction vector here, it can move about one. So you can actually move this direction vector to this side here, which is D. Okay, it's the same D, You can move this about, guys. So this one here can bring to my house, bring to your house, bring to anybody's house. It will be the same direction vector. It doesn't matter where you bring it. Bring to my grandfather's house or so on. It's the same. Okay, it's the same grandmother story. So this direction here is the same. Then what we do is we just need to find, we have this vector here. Now this vector, this may not be D, so please don't think that this length here is D. It's not. D may go all the way, but it's just a general direction. The D we don't even know what's the length. The length of D, you don't know whether is it like between here or here, but you just know that this is the direction of D. Okay, just the direction of D. Now what we need now is actually we have this vector here, we have this vector here. Why do we have A to B? Because we are given A to B the coordinates, so we have A to B. What you need is the angle. Okay, this angle here may seem trivial. This one here, you need to be able to identify in a question. You realize that a lot of times students don't know how to identify. Need to identify this angle. Okay, it may seem like it's very easy. I keep saying is the angle between sandwiching between two angles. You may get confused but you just remember it's always this the angle between two of the two known vectors. Okay, so this is AB. So in other words, you are looking for the adjacent side. The length that we want is the adjacent side. So the length of projection of AB on L would just be AB dot D. Adjacent side corresponds to cosine. Cosine corresponds to dot product. Your dot product is cosine. Remember that. Okay. So if you refer to this one, dot product is cosine, cross product is sine. So this is dot product. Could you do this? So A to B will be 0, minus 3, 0. Okay. So A to B here will be the length of projection on L will be this. So this will be 0, minus 3, 0, dot with unit vector. So this is 1 minus 2, 1 over square root 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. This will just be 0 plus 6 plus 0, and this will be square root 6. So this is 6 over root 6 units. This will just be multiplied by root 6 and root 6 on top. You will get root 6 units. Okay, you of course don't need to rationalize, but sometimes they ask you to rationalize, you need to know how. Secondary school stuff, so I'm not gonna explain too much.